Hey there, Boots Owen here. A 9 kilo, 6 cents Whirlpool. That's a mouthful. So I've got a code out there, WWDC9440. Is it a washer dryer? Eco monitor. I don't know about that fellow. Right. I was told it was working, but it wasn't getting things clean. It looks a bit sludgy in there. Natty little machine. The power buttons, the play button even, has mushed in. Let's have a look at the lint filter. Pop that fellow off. See what's in here. I'm outdoors, so it doesn't really matter if I make a mess. There is water in it. You can hear a siren in the background. Is this gonna be a crime? There's stuff in there. Wow. Look at that. Where's the rest of it? Bit of a underwire, bit of a screw. Actually looks okay. Never found that little of that much. Can't feel anything in there. Right, all I can do is plug it back together. Screw it as tight as it'll go. That's it. Bit of rust down there, maybe. Looks like rust. And then this should hook in at the bottom. Snap shut. And there you are. Shame it's not the whole tenor. I wonder how that got damaged. They could all be in the rest of the machine, you know, this tenor, but when it gets to this stage, we're not looking at much. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.